Hi everyone! Today, Aisha and I are going to learn about Islam.
I'm excited! What is Islam, Sarah?
Islam is a religion practiced by Muslims around the world. It teaches peace, kindness, and helping others.
Wow, Sarah! Your room is filled with posters of mosques and Islamic symbols.
I love learning about different cultures and religions. Let's explore more about Islam.
Look at this beautiful mosque. It's so peaceful and serene.
Yes, mosques are places where Muslims come together to pray and worship.
That's so interesting. I didn't know that.
They also learn about the teachings of Islam from their religious leaders.
I've learned so much about Islam today, Sarah. Thank you for showing me.
Islam also teaches important values like honesty, respect, and charity. Muslims fast during the holy month of Ramadan and help those in need.
I will always keep that in mind. Let's continue learning together.
I'm glad you enjoyed it, Aisha. Remember, it's essential to respect and understand different cultures and religions. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.